Hey guys, welcome to Tech for Mind. My name is Mohit Vaishne, and in this video I have come up with two hiring update. First hiring is coming from PWC company. So currently company hiring for intern and trainee role, and for this hiring I will refer you in PWC company. And if you doesn't know about me, so I'm currently working in a PWC company as a senior associate role, and I have already posted this hiring on my LinkedIn account. So if you have not followed me on LinkedIn, do check out, and you can follow me there as well because I post job update on LinkedIn as well, and I will explain you complete process like how I will refer you and what is the criteria for this hiring and what is the selection procedure. But before that, do like this video and subscribe this channel also so that you will not miss any kind of hiring update. And one more thing, in this video I will cover Infosys hiring also, so both hiring are very important. Now let's first discuss in detail about the PWC company hiring. So you can check out, this is the official career page of PWC company, and currently company hiring for intern trainee role, and the last date for the application is 23rd of January. Talking about the qualification for this role, so company has mentioned if you have done BE BTech from any branch, you will be eligible for this hiring. You have done your BE BTech from CSIT branch, electrical, electronic or any other branch as well, you will be eligible for this hiring, and only BE BTech degree eligible. And company has not mentioned any specific batch. So if you are already passed out or you are recent pass out, then this hiring is for you. You can apply for this hiring. And for this hiring, as I mentioned, I will refer you. So if you are eligible for this hiring, then you can share your resume with me on LinkedIn. And first I will check your resume, means कि मैं आप लोगों का रेज्यूमे चेक करूंगा एंड आप लोगों का रेज्यूमे एक्यूरेट होगा, लाइक जॉब के अकॉर्डिंग फिट होगा, देन उसके बाद ही मैं आपको रेफर करने वाला हूँ. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला कि आप रेज्यूमे शेयर करोगे मैं आपको रेफर कर दूंगा. तो जो भी कैंडिडेट मुझे रेज्यूमे शेयर करने वाला है लिंक्डइन पर, मैं उसका रेज्यूमे चेक करूंगा, रिव्यू करूंगा, एंड आपका रेज्यूमे आपकी स्किल्स मुझे पसंद आई, देन उसके बाद मैं आपको रेफर करने वाला हूँ. कीप इन माइंड, क्योंकि कंपनी का शॉर्टलिस्टिंग क्राइटेरिया काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट होता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी अप्लाई करेगा एंड उसको मौका मिलने वाला है एग्जाम देने का या फिर इंटरव्यू देने का. एंड मैं ये नहीं चाहता कि आप लोग डायरेक्ट हो जाओ. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप लोग इस जॉब के अकॉर्डिंग फिट हो तो ही अप्लाई करना, तो ही मुझे रेज्यूमे शेयर करना, अदरवाइज यू कैन स्किप दिस हायरिंग. टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्किल्स, so for this hiring company has mentioned you should have good communication skills. You can check out excellent communication plus presentation skills. And for this hiring, coding is not compulsory. If you have basic understanding of coding, then also you can apply for this hiring. So I hope you got the idea how you can apply and how I will refer you. So this is the first hiring update. Move to the second hiring update, which is coming for 𝐏𝐰𝐂 company, which is a part of Infosys company. And 𝐏𝐰𝐂 is a product-based company, and company offer very good amount for fresher as well. Talking about the qualification for this role, so currently company hiring for BE BTech candidate for the role of system engineer role. You can check out. And currently company hiring for two different locations. First one is Pune, and second one is Gurgaon. And I will attach both the link so you can apply according to your choice. And for both the hiring, qualification is same, BE BTech 25 pass out batch. So if you are interested, eligible, you can apply for this hiring. You have to just click on apply to job option and complete your application. And if you get shortlisted, then you will receive further update on your mail only regarding exam and interview. Most probably exam will be online. So do check out this hiring. And that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you. And if you found this video helpful, do like this video. Thank you and goodbye.